Show me your resume and introduction first. Share your screen. Resume.
Yes, sir.
Show me your resume. Share your resume.
Okay, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, sir.
So, what I am saying to you, share your
Yes,
resume,
sir.
your screen.
I'm,
Yeah, open resume.
this is my resume.
Okay. So, where is the designation is mentioned? Where is the designation is mentioned? In header.
In header.
Secondly, the career objective effectively the total. So remove that career objective not required. Total 2 years of SAP MM Consultant and the 2 years of the end user overall. So total experience you are showing 2 years. What is the total experience?
Uh, Sir, with the overall 4 year work experience, 2 years as SAP MM functional consultant, two
Wait.
year of SAP
Total four
with
year,
end.
right?
Yes, sir.
Total 4 year. How many companies was there?
Two companies.
Two companies was there.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Show me the company. This means first company and second company.
Sir, this is my current company where I am as the SAP
Bombay Sudi
MM
System.
consultant.
Okay, scroll down. Zen Technologies, MM end user. Don't show as an end user, show the consultant only. Okay. Show the
Okay,
full
sir.
4 years of experience in SAP. Show
Sir,
the
but
show
PF,
what?
sir, in my PF coming issue.
What PM commission?
Sir, in my PF showing issue because I am working at Gen Technology contract base in third party, sir.
You don't having the experience certificate and all documents.
No, sir. No any certificate or
Then why
any
you are showing in the
anything.
resume?
Sir, I am only informed that you only
If
inform I
if
am
the
working at
if the documents are not there, you should not maintain in the resume.
not maintain, sir, but in PF is showing that that's why I am maintaining.
PAP is there, right?
Sir?
PAP is there.
Yes, sir.
PAP is there. Then why documents are not there?
Sir, but the company is Gen Technology Limited, but I am working as third party under one JG outsourcing. The company name is.
No. My question is that so you are
Yes,
working
sir.
from 21 to 23 in the Zen Technologies,
Gen
correct?
Technology. Yes, sir.
Ah.
Under third
So
party.
your PF also deducted, correct?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes.
don't having the experience letter. Why?
Sir, I am working as third party, not a company basis.
In third party
Third party
experience certificate is not provided.
not provided, sir.
That is not a correct. See, if you are mentioning na, show as a
Yes, sir.
consultant only, don't as a user. If you are having
Okay,
the
sir.
PF document during the background verification, you can tell them, I don't having the experience letter, but I am having the PF documents.
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
You can
Okay,
validate
sir.
that PF documents.
Okay,
So,
sir.
okay. Open the Word file, don't PDF. Open the Word file.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Word file. This is not Word file. Okay, let it be. See, I will tell you changes. So first, template should be good. This is very basic template. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The second thing is that career objective, remove it. Then
Remove. Okay,
below
sir.
your resume, the resume means like a SAP MM S4HANA consultant.
Okay,
Designation
sir.
should be there, na?
Yes, sir.
How recruiter can came to know your background? Designation is not there. So wait, don't scroll down. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
So here, professional summary, total 4 years of experience will be there as a functional consultant. Okay. 4 years,
Okay.
total 4 years. And then
Okay,
scroll
sir.
down. And then in Zen Technologies and then Bombay Tech, whatever the company name is that,
Bombay Service Store.
mention that experience. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
now I will ask you the introduction now. So you tell me the introduction accordingly. Just you have to means change the introduction part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, okay. Disable screen. We will start now. Disable the screen. Okay, done. Okay, Mithun, good morning. Introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Nitin Gochai originally from
Look at
Odisha,
camera.
living in.
Yeah. Hmm.
Good morning, sir. I am Nitin Gochai, originally from Odisha, now living in Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation, Bachelor in Science Physics in 2020. After my graduation, I have started my professional career as a SAP in SAP MM in-house consultant in Gen Technology Limited. In my role, I have provided support to a day-to-day day-to-day issue, and I have working the I have also
Try to
working
look
in
at camera only,
cons-
Mithun. Try to look at camera.
I have working on configuration, testing, FSD preparation, FSD preparation, enhancement, report preparation, report preparations, report preparation with the help of the above team. Also we have to provided the training to end users. If any new upgrade coming, then also give training to the end user. In this is my role in the Gen Technology. I am working in Gen Technology 2021 March to August 2023. Then I have changed to my career in the Bombay Service Store as an associated SAP MM consultant. In here, my role is uh, after complementation and implementation, we have provided the enhancement FSD for ISIF and project preparation. Sorry, if any new requirement as per the business process, then we have to prepare the reports, and if change modify, also provided the support into change modify and incident modify, and as per the priority, resolve the tickets. This is my role.
Okay, so what is your total experience into SAP?
4 years of experience in total.
Into SAP. So in that 4 year, how many projects you did?
Uh, one project, one support, one
And
implementation, one support project.
implementation was there. Implementation duration, tell me.
2 years, sir.
It was a 2 year. So look at
Yes,
camera.
sir.
It was a 2 year.
Yes,
So
sir.
currently, last project was implementation, or tell me that.
Sir, in my last project on implementation, gathering the in I have to the gathering the informations, and also prepare the uh, uh, Aziz document, to be document, business process master list, gap document, FSD, and FSD document in business blueprint. Then we have to prepare a realization phase. We do the configuration, do the configuration and configuration in development client, test in the testing client. Then in final phase, final phase do the FUT, UT, and user training and user acceptance training. In then final preparation phase, in final preparation phase, or do the SIT, system integration testing, FUT, FUT testing, and UT testing. In go live phase, all in go live phase TR should be copied from quality to quality to production server. This is doing the basis team, and uh, upload data means material master data, vendor master data should be uploaded. Open PO, open PO, open stock should be uploaded in the uh, production server uploaded in the production server. In Cutover, all this work is completed. Then we will uh, hand over to the clients in the exact date. This is the project in implementation, sir.
Okay. So, just tell me, so like in that implementation, whatever the configuration was there, okay? So means tell me the list of the configuration you did.
Configuration for I am doing for the plant storage location, purchasing organization, uh, uh, for purchasing organization and vendor master data. I do for the source list, purchasing for records, uh, uh, purchase requisition, RFQ, then PO and special PO, consignment subcontractor, consignment subcontractor service base, and pricing procedure, release procedure, automatic account determination, outline agreement, STO. I do the configuration in my last project.
Okay. Okay. So do you know pricing procedure?
Yes, sir, I know the pricing procedure.
So what kind of pricing procedure configuration you did in your last project?
In pricing procedure, I have to do the for subcontracting and domestic pricing order. Pricing order is the determination and calculation of pricing of the purchasing document. The process step are define the condition table. Define the condition table. Condition table is the key combination of field from the purchasing document, which is usually if you want to the you pricing will be automatically. Then going to the access sequence. Access sequence is the sort strategy of condition for condition from condition table for condition type. Access sequence, we assign the condition type which we want to the automatic price. Then going to the condition type. Condition type, this is PB00 for manual automatic price, PBXS for manual price. Uh, RA00 for net price and gross price, RA01 and net percent discount on percent discount on net price, FRA1 freight on percentage, FRB1 freight and value, FRC1 freight and quantity, CCDP custom duty. Custom duty, this is the condition type in SAP provided by standard. If you want to your custom type, then you can customize. Then defining the condition type, calculation schema. In calculation schema, we assign sequence and all condition type to all condition type for the all condition type. The steps are serial number. Serial numbers, step number, counter, condition type, description from serial number, we maintain the serial number, counter maintain the 10.1, 10.2, and condition type, we maintain the condition types from which condition type take to till which condition type maintain till for manual. If you activate for any condition type, then you can enter the value manually. Required, if you activate any condition type or required, then it is mandatory in pricing procedure. Then required manual statistical. If you active for any condition type, then the value should be not considered as the net value calculation. For delivery cost, we will activate for statistical price. Then print, if you want to print any condition type in print a PO output, then activate display as X. Subtotal. Subtotal, this is the tab where you can, in subtotal, we have the consider as the which value is considered the gross value. We will maintain the 9, then uh, requirement calculation type based type. This is above maintained by the codes. Then accurate key, account key, and accurate key. Account key find the GL account, accurate key post the GL account. This is maintained in transaction key. Then calculation schema. Calculation schema will help to the pricing process trigger in PO document. In calculation schema, we have maintained the calculation schema for vendor, calculation schema for purchasing organization. In calculation scheme, calculation schema for purchasing organization also assigned
This
to the
configuration, what
purchase.
you are telling, so every configuration you did in your project, all configurations you did in the project in pricing.
Uh,
How many pricing procedure was there? Just tell me in
Two
short.
pricing procedure.
How
Sir,
many?
two price procedure.
What was it?
Domestic price procedure, and subcontracting price procedure. Now I'm
Why you
explaining
why
the
you
domestic.
created why you created separate pricing procedure, domestic and subcontracting?
Sir, because subcontracting they required the special pricing procedure. That's why I maintained the.
Look at camera, okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
now, sir, they want the special pricing procedure for subcontracting. That's why I maintained the I as per the business requirement.
Okay, business requirement. Okay. So apart
Yes.
from this configuration, just tell me. So, okay, configuration that is okay. But apart from configuration, what was your role in your project, like FSD, like gap analysis,
Yes, sir.
creation?
In project I have worked gap analysis. For gap analysis, I have the prepare FSD smartphone report and enhancement. I have two enhancement for in consignment process. After good receipt, we have do one.
I will not ask you. See, Mithun, I will not ask you
Yes,
what
sir.
exactly. I'm just asking you are directly starting into enhancement and directly ending with enhancement. So what I am asking to you, what was your role apart from the configurations? You can say like a FSD creation or there this FSD created. So at high level you can explain it. When
Okay,
interviewer
sir.
will ask you in detail, then come with your detailed answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So what was
Sir,
your
I have prepared, sir, in my project, I have prepared two enhancement to smartphones to report one output determinations and one output determination. Two output determinations.
so only two enhancement was there in all project?
No, sir, so many enhancement there, but I have assigned only two enhancement.
Okay, you were responsible for two enhancement.
Two
Okay,
enhancement, yes, sir.
okay. And the smart homes?
Two smartphones, sir.
Which smart homes?
Smartphone for PO print output and PO mail triggering.
PO?
PO print output and RFQ print output.
RFQ printout. Print
Yes,
output.
sir.
Okay. So, what was the method to create a printing the PO? Is what was the T code or
Printing
what method you used to print the PO?
print the PO code is ME9F. ME9F
ME9F
for
you
the
were using.
use T code, yes, sir.
So you were using a
For the
next setting or
message type,
BRF setting?
like sir, in this setting, sir, I am using the next
Why
setting.
not BRF plus?
Sir, BRF plus. This is newly updated, but this is now is fully not updated. That's why they're using the NSC plus and NSC.
Okay, okay, fine. So could you explain me one enhancement in detail? Means what was your role? What was the problem? Means what was the exact requirement? What gap analysis you
Uh,
did?
Sir, in consignment process, when we do the good receipt, good receipt, then stock going to the consignment stock. But client requirement, after good receipt, we do the transfer posting from consignment stock to own stock. But client requirements, this is not require. This is I have no time to the. It is automatically after good receipt, consignment stock going to the own stock. this is the client's requirement. We have checked in the systems, but not any found for uh, not any found in SAP standard solution. That's why we have create the FSD, create the functional logic for the logic, then provided to the with the help of future exist body, then give to the ABAP team for uh, give the ABAP team. Then after ABAP, then go to the FSD, FUD. It is working. Not yes, sir.
Okay, good. Tell me again, what was the exact requirement?
Sir, in consignment process, after GR, stock moving to consignment stock. After good receipt, we have done transfer posting from own stock to uh, consignment stock to own stock. But client saying after good receipt, transfer posting is not required. Consignment stock move to own stock at the background directly.
Means in consignment procurement. So after good receipt, transfer posting is not required. You mean to say
Not required. Yes, sir.
why?
Because this is a lengthy process. That's why they have a lengthy process. It comes automatically.
Then why you were posting consignment? So simply post normal PO, domestic PO. If you are not interested
But
into transfer postings.
but in retail, so many vendors have the kept stocks. That's why they
Means
use
you
consignment.
mean to say, suppose if you are creating consignment PO for 1,000 pieces and 1,000 pieces from the 1,000 pieces, 500 pieces has been received at a consignment
Yes,
stock.
sir.
So for 500 pieces simultaneously transfer posting should happen,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Automatically.
Yes,
And after that
automatic.
invoice will be nullified for that.
Posted to
But my
for
question is
yes, sir.
that why you are not posting domestic PO for that? Why you are posting consignment then?
Sir, because in consignment vendor, because in retail, in my
Why
company,
what different thing you are achieving with this?
uh, different thing is we have give the program for automatically. That's why they
But if you are posting the domestic PO, then even the enhancement is not required. When the user will post good received, automatically accounting
uh,
entries will be created. Stock
sir,
will come in your
but
premises.
sir, but when you create the domestic view, we have not mentioned the item category K for consignment. For verifying that view, this is consignment view, we have to provide it. This is enhancement. For verifying that view, this is enhancement view. For verifying that view, this is consignment view.
No, no, my okay. Again, one question. So, in your process, the stock is coming to consignment or directly stock is coming to your premises?
The coming is customer coming to consignment, sir. After consignment, transfer posting is not required. Matlab, this
Means
is back.
partially you are not getting, means partially you are not receiving this material. When the 500 pieces will receive in consignment, immediately 500 pieces you are receiving in your plant.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are putting means why your business putting in this stock in a consignment stock? Why directly they are not like a bringing this stock in your premises, plant premises?
Sir, I have not recall it, sir. They explained
But
me,
it
but I
see,
have not
if you are saying the stock will come to consignment, all
come to the
stock should be
consignment.
in plant within a second, means by using the enhancement. And real time also that is happening. Then why you are keeping the stock in consignment? Why directly they are not bringing the stock to your plant premises?
Yes,
Got it right?
yes. No, sorry, sir. I have mentioned it wrongly. They do the transfer posting, but in after the transfer posting, invoice settlement in MRQ automatically. Sorry,
So for
is
automatically
the
automatic MRQ, you did enhancement.
settlement? Yes, sir.
For automatic MRQ.
MRQ.
But MRQ already we can achieve through background job. Why enhancement is required? MRQ, if you open the system in MRQ, you can simply create a variant, and that variant you can
Yes,
assign
sir.
a
You
background
can
job.
assign the yes, sir,
Then why
background
the
job. I
enhancement is
know.
required?
As per company requirement, I do, sir. That's why I explain
But
you.
company will not say you do the enhancement. Company will only say you only means suggest you or put a requirement in front of you. We want a automatic MRQ. You have to decide background job you have to use or enhancement you have to use. If it is achievable through background job, why you are going to do enhancement? No sense.
Okay, sir. I'll rectify it.
Okay, check it.
Okay,
So
sir.
that cross questions will come. Any other
Okay, sir.
enhancement? So my sense
Yes,
is that whatever enhancement I have given to you, right?
yes, sir.
So example, almost 10 to 12 examples are there. Prepare that only.
Okay, sir.
Because whatever enhancement you are explaining, that should have some sense. Okay, we can say.
Sense. Okay, okay, sir. I understand.
Okay, fine. Then coming to standard SAP knowledge. So in procurement, what kind of procurement was there?
Procurement, two type of procurement, special procurement, standard procurement.
Which one?
Standard procurement and special procurement, sir.
But what exactly?
Special procurement, in special procurement, item categories should be blank. In special procurement, item categories in special procurement have the consignment PO, subcontracting PO, and service PO, input PO, etc. These are the special procurement. In special procurement, we mention one item category.
Okay. So could you explain me RTPPO?
RTPPO, returnable transport packing material. First of all, this is used to return the packing material, return the packing material between the customer and vendor. For RTP material, first you create the material with material type LEIH. Then create the PO. Then create the PO with ME21. Going to the good receipt, then do the good receipt with movement type 101. In good receipt, have transport equipment, click on and add the packing RTP material where the movement type is 501. Movement type is 501 M. This is the good receipt. Then this is the good receipt. No account entries for packing material, RTP materials. Then after your uses, return to the vendor with the movement type 502 M. This is the RTP process 502 M.
RTP. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So explain me consignment procurement.
Consignment procurement is used to uh, uh, consignment process is defined when vendor kept his own stuff in our company location with its own ownership until until uses the stock. After uses the stock, vendor will raise a payment request for consignment stock. The processor the processor create the PO with item category. So first create the PIR, purchasing for record, maintain the value tax, maintain the value and taxes. Then going to create PO. In PO item category K, the net price will be disabled and condition tab is hide mode. Then going to the good receipt with movement type 101. With movement type 101 in good receipt there is no account entries. In transfer posting we will do the consignment stock to own stock with movement type 411K. In consignment the account entries are under the transfer posting. KON consignment payable account will credited and BSX account will be debited. And then going to the consignment settlement in MRKO, MRKO with MRKO where the account entries are account entries are KO in consignment payable account debited vendor account credited. This is the consignment process.
Hmm?
So this is the consignment process. First of all, create the purchasing for record, create the view with item category with item category K. In consignment process, in consignment PO, net price will be net price in disabled mode, condition tab hide mode, then do the good receipt, in good receipt no account entry, then do the transfer posting. Consignment stock to own stock with movement type 411K. The account entries are KON, consignment payable account credited, BSX, inventory account debited. Then data settlement in MRKO at account entries KON debited, payable consignment debited, vendor account credited. This is the consignment process.
Okay, fine. Explain me uh subcontracting, do you know?
Yes, sir, subcontracting
Explain me
fee.
subcontracting with Chalan.
Delivery challenge, subcontracting delivery challenge is create the J1 IG subcon. It is the validity to 180 days.
Okay. Yeah, explain me subcontracting with Chalan.
Subcontracting में challenge है. Sir, again the questions.
Subcontracting with Chalan.
Subcontracting with challenge, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, in subcontracting process, companies send their own stock to external vendor for external work. External vendor convert this product to another product and send back to company. The process flow are create the purchase info record, then create the view with item category. First create the material for parent material and child material, then create the purchase info record, then create the subcontracting PO, then create the subcontracting PO with item category L, in item label, you put the material and component tab, maintain the child material, then do the good issue for subcontracting with movement type 541, with movement type 541. Then create one subcontracted delivery challenge T code J1 ID subcon. It is used to send the material to outside of the company. Send their own company material to outside. It is used for the delivery challenge. Then do the good receipt with movement type 101, movement one with per child material, 543 minus, 543 minus, then do the uh, invoice posting for the subcontracting, subcontracting charges, charges, then do the invoice posting, then do the subcontract reconciliation. This is subcontract reconciliation means it is the comparison between the how much stock sending to subcontracting, how much receipt. It is the comparison in subcontracting reconciliation. The account entries in the accounting entries in subcontracting are GBB, VBO, consumption account debited, and BSX credited, BSX debited, BSP stock in change will credited, FRL, FRL debited, WRX will be credited. In invoice posting, FRL will be credited, vendor and WRX will be debited. This is the process of subcontracting with delivery challenge.
Okay. What is the T code to create Chalan? Tell me again.
J1 IG subcon.
Okay, it is J1IG subcon. Okay, fine. Okay. After that, tell me. So, what is meant by transfer posting?
Transfer posting. Transfer posting means transfer the material from one location to other location, from one material to other material. Your physical movement is not required. This is a transfer posting. If physical movement is required, then it is called as stock transfer orders.
Okay.
For material to material movement, you have to transporting material to material. It is possible that within the and stock types will be same. It is possible. It is the movement type 309 plant to storage location transfer posting with the movement type 311 from one plant to another plant is the movement type 301 the transfer posting.
Okay, fine. What is the reservation?
Reservation is used to block the stock for future uses.
What?
Block the stock for future uses.
What is
If
the T
it
code?
is MB21,
ME?
MB21,
MB21.
sir, MN21. I have not recall M
It is
sign. Yeah,
MB21.
MB21, yes.
Okay. So tell me, do you have knowledge about MRP, batch management?
Sir, I have not about. I have only about the batch management. Only that I have not worked in that part. Chance to work on that part. I have no idea.
Batch management?
Batch management is a production slot or purchase order slot. It is used to the it is used to it is used for know the expiry date. I have only not that.
Okay, fine. Okay. Tell me STO.
SQ stock transfer order. Stock transfer order. It is at two type interest due, interest due with delivery. With that explain all the process.
First, tell me at least what are the types of STO.
Sir, STU is two types. STU stock transfer order. If you want to transfer material from one plant to other plant with same company code, then it is called intra-STU. If you transfer material from one plant to other plant with a different company code, then this is called inter-STU.
Okay. So what are the types in intra-company STO?
Inter-company it is two type with delivery, without delivery. With delivery, we have to the sales distribution, and without delivery, only MM part.
Okay. And what is the intra-company with the delivery? Explain me configuration plus process steps.
Process. Intra-company with delivery, intra-company. If you want to move material from one plant to other plant, then it is called intra-company STO. The process steps are first of all create a receiving plant as a customer and supplying plant as a supplier. Materials will be present in both plant. For receiving plant, purchasing data should be available for supplying plant, sales data should be available. Sales data means sales organization one, sales organization delivering plant and taxes. In sales organization two tab, item category group norms. In sales organization additional data, loading group and transportation group and checking availability checking should be maintained in the sales data. Uh, Sales data and then define uh, define shipping point for plant, shipping determination for plant. Shipping determination means for receiving plant, maintain the customer number. For supplying plant, maintain the sales area means sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Distribution channel and division. Then define the document type and with availability check with the plant. In document type in here we have the document type supplying plant, document type UB supplying plant, and delivery type in delivery type NL, checking rule B. Checking rule B. Checking rule B. Then shipping point then shipping point determination. Shipping point determination. We maintain the uh, shipping condition. Shipping condition, loading group, and supplying plant, and uh, shipping point. In the shipping condition, maintaining customer data, loading group, maintaining the master data. Then we will define define item category determination. In item category determination, uh, 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 delivery type, item category group, uses item item category, delivery type NL, item category nouns, uses P, and item category is NLN. NLN, NLN, then assign delivery type, one step procedure, and under tolerance in assignment, give the document type UP if you want one step procedure, then activate, otherwise it is deactivate. Then this is the process. This is the process for uh, this is process now. What are the steps? This is the step process. Receiving plant should create the PO. Should create PO and the with at the time of PO shipping point. Shipping determination should be come in the item level. Then save the PO. This PO receive the supplying plant prepare the outbound delivery with PL. PL10B, PL10B, then prepare one outbound delivery, PL0 to PL0 to N, PL0 to N, sorry, nine. And then prepare outbound delivery, PL10B, PL10B, then prepare post good issue, and PL0 to N, PL0 to N, PL0 to PL0 to N. At the time, food receipt is the inventory account of the supplying plant, BSX and limited, and BSX inventory account for the receiving plant will be debited. Then receiving plant do the good receipt, do the good receipt. Here no any invoice postings. This is the process flow of intra-STO or steps.
Okay, fine. So, what are the differences between intra-company STO with the delivery and intra-company STO?
Intra-company STO with deliveries are again questions.
Okay, let it be. Explain me intra-company STO in detail.
Intercompany, sir.
Intercompany STO, explain me in detail.
Intercompany STO, intercompany STO define maintain the receiving plant as a customer and supplying plant as a supplier. In both that company should be present. Uh, Company code data should be present. Materials should be present in both plant. Receiving plant, purchasing data should be available. For supplying plant, sales data should be available. Sales organization in select the sales organization, maintain the delivery plant and access in sales organization to between the item category group norms, and in sales data additional data we maintain the availability check, loading group, and transportation group. Then shipping data per plant. Define the shipping data per plant. For customer, for receiving plant, maintain the customer number. For supplying plant, maintain the sales area. In sales organization, distribution channel, and division. uh, uh, define the document type with availability check with plant. In here, document type is NB, NB supply plant with delivery type NL, NLCC, NLCC, NLCC with checking rule B, checking rule B. Then then shipping point determination. In shipping point determination, we have maintained the shipping point determination, maintain the shipping condition, loading condition, and shipping supply plan and shipping point, shipping condition maintained in the sorry shipping condition maintained in customer data and loading condition maintained in material masters. Material master define item category determination. In item category determination, document type is an LCC. Item category nouns uses the item category each. NLC, NLC then uh, assign the assign document type. There's an assign delivery type. Uh, assign delivery type. Assign delivery type. Purchase procedure and availability. Sorry, under tolerance. In under tolerance, so give the NLCC document type. Sorry, delivery type and delivery type. Not activate the one-step procedure, then save. For create first of all create the first of all create PO, receiving plant create the PO, then sending to the supplying plant. Supplying plant prepare one outbound delivery with VL10 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 VL10, then go to the then post good issue post good issue in the movement type 643, movement type 643 at the time of at that post good issue, uh, post good issue, post good issue, uh, post good issue. Then they after post good issue they will perform invoice in uh, VF01 VF01 VF VF01 is a billing. Is a billing to the transfer of the material. Then receiving plant will do the invoice receipt and do the invoice. This is the step for interest due.
Okay, fine. Could you explain me what are the difference between ECC and S4HANA in material management?
ECC and S4HANA. ECC have the only GUI screen, or in S4HANA have the GUI screen and Fiori screen also available. In ECC, have material number range length is 18 character. In S4HANA, it is 40 characters. 40 characters. In ECC, have not activated material ledger is not required. But S4HANA, you must activate the material ledger. In ECC, not required activate production server. In S4HANA, it must activate production server for BOM material or subcontracting. Subcontracting. At this point, also remember.
Okay, fine. So explain me activate methodology. Just in short, okay? Tell me the phases
Sir,
and
this,
in short explain.
this is the This is have the 6 pages. One is deploy, deploy realization, deploy realization. Sorry, name. There is 6 pages. I am not recall at the time, sir.
Okay, fine. So I will stop
Realization,
here.
deploy. Okay, sir.
I will stop here. Just do one thing. So update that resume. Okay. Based on this, update the LinkedIn profile also, Naukri profile also, and share me the credentials. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And
Sir, how does
I will suggest you few things. So whenever you are explaining the enhancement and those things, so like do the gap analysis on that. Any standard solutions are there? Okay, without having any gap analysis, you cannot explain the enhancement.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now that problems will come, like enhancement, you are saying transfer posting, after that you are saying MRQ. So that does not having any sense. Okay, so
Okay.
you should go through the gap analysis first. Then next one is whenever any questions will be there, so try to explain in minimum words. Try to explain in minimum words. Okay. So unnecessary, like a pricing procedure and those things, that is not required. Just one second.
Sir, voice is
Sorry,
not audible.
I had network issue, but so what I was saying. So whatever the questions will be there, pricing procedure or other things. Okay, try to explain in minimum words.
Okay, sir.
Means conceptual clarity should be there in answer,
Yeah.
but you have to use in like you have to explain in minimum words.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so
Okay, sir.
otherwise it is okay. And batch management, MRP, at least you should know at least definitions.
Okay, sir.
If you are
I also
saying me,
prepare.
I don't know anything, so that is not acceptable. Okay,
Yes, I will prepare. Okay.
okay, fine. So otherwise it is okay. So just prepare these things and show 4 years of experience. So you will get
Oh,
a more calls. Okay,
okay, sir.
okay. But thank you.
Thank you, sir.